Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a passage plan on ECDIS. First, you must clearly define your voyage start and end points. This initial step is crucial for setting the scope of your journey. Next, gather all necessary charts and publications, ensuring you have the most current information available. Remember to consider environmental factors such as tides, currents, and weather forecasts. Finally, identify any potential hazards along your intended path, like shallow waters or restricted areas, right from the beginning. Once your initial assessment is complete, it is time to create your route. Begin by plotting a series of waypoints to define the vessel's intended track. Carefully adjust this route to maintain safe distances from all identified dangers, ensuring a buffer of at least 1/2 nautical mile from known hazards. Utilize the ECDIS safety contours and depth alarms, setting them to appropriate values for continuous protection. Always check for sufficient underkeel clearance throughout the entire passage, especially in shallow areas, to prevent grounding. A robust passage plan includes thorough monitoring and contingency measures. Set up cross-track distance limits, typically 1/10 of a nautical mile, to alert you if the vessel deviates too far from the planned track. Establish clear abort points and identify emergency anchorages along the route for immediate action if needed. Always plan for alternative routes in case of unforeseen events, such as adverse weather or mechanical issues. Remember to regularly update your electronic charts and navigational information to ensure accuracy. Before setting sail, a final, comprehensive review of the entire passage plan is essential. Conduct a thorough check of every segment, ensuring all safety parameters are met. Brief the entire bridge team on all aspects of the plan, including potential hazards and contingency procedures, to ensure everyone is fully aware. Confirm that all navigational equipment, including the ECDIS itself, is fully operational before departure. Finally, continuously monitor the vessel's progress against the plan, making adjustments as necessary to ensure a safe and efficient voyage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.